Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. So first of all, just open the Telegram application, and if you are facing the problem that your Telegram isn't connecting, what you have to do is you just have to go for Google and you have to search for how to use Telegram in any country where you are facing this issue, and then you have to open this first website, and when you are here, you have to scroll down. And as you can see, there are some proxies, proxy 1 and proxy 2, and as you can see, proxy 3. You have lot of proxies here. So what you have to do is go to the Telegram application, tap on these three bars, and then go for in settings. You have to tap on this data and storage, and then scroll down a little bit and you will see this proxy settings. Just tap on this and you have to tap on this add proxy, and you have to select the second option, empty proto proxy. Then go to the website and then you have to copy this server, go back to Telegram application and simply paste it here. And from in this option port, you have to go for 8, 8 and 8. As you can see here, there are 4 times 8s. And then you have to copy this secret, again go to Telegram and paste in the secret section here. And now simply tap on this check icon, and as you can see, proxy available, so you have to tap on this proxy and it will connect your proxy. Now if you go back to your Telegram application, so as you can see, now my Telegram is connected, so you don't have to use any VPN. You can use Telegram now from this proxy. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.